కురిపించవే కరుణా రాసి దీంతారా దీంతారా జతులతో ప్రాణమే నాట్యం చేసే గతులతో రామశతముల నతులతో.
So humbly accepted our invitation. My management, who is here to join us, to encourage our students. So on behalf of the whole of our school, I warmly welcome our chief guest, Ms. Alvin Roxy, who is the ARTO of our city, respected parents, teachers, and their students, to this special day, that is the investiture ceremony. Today is a proud moment for all of us as we officially appoint the new student council. Dear council members, you are not just wearing badges, you are accepting responsibility, leadership, and the trust of the entire school. I hope you will lead with discipline, confidence, and humility, and set an example for the others to follow. To our parents and chief guest, thank you for joining us and encouraging our young leaders. Your presence truly adds grace to this occasion. Once again, I welcome everyone and congratulations to the newly appointed council. May you all carry out your duties with dedication and pride. And all the children who are sitting here and who have not been elected but did stand for the elections, let me tell you, this is a chance which you will get right down the years. So don't feel disappointed. In fact, take it as a blessing, maybe in disguise, where you will get another chance and where you can show that you too are truly deserving. Every student of the school, whether elected in the council or not, is a truly, I would say, a very precious member, and therefore we all hope that you will also soon be coming onto the stage in some way or the other for us to all sit there and applaud you. So thank you everyone.
सपने लेकर भर कर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही, कुछ कर जाएं, कुछ कर जाएं। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे।
कुछ पाने की हो आस पास, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसेंगी। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसेंगी। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
very first time, our school witnessed a structured elections where every inspiring leader stepped into real responsibility, students faced interviews and were selected by their academic merit. They are Disapsa and Tagore House. To begin with, Pakhi Sachdeva, Rudransh Madan, Anya Jain, Samarth Goyal, Anshika Rana, Prakati Chaudhary, Yatharth Bharadwaj, Pranika Arya, Vashu Manwal, Swastika, Farhan, Anika Khanna, Rakshit Kumar, Aradhya Singh, Om Bharadwaj, Vedant Sharma. And now we move to the core of our student leadership, those who will guide, inspire, and carry our school spirit forward. Here comes the house captains Aksha and vice house captain Lavanya Saini from Radhakrishna House. From Trissa House, we have House Captain Kanan Mandiratta and Vice House Captain Arna Sharma. Representing Tagore House comes House Captain Punyashri and Vice House Captain Stuti Mohanty. Representing Vivekananda House, House Captain Rajashri Chaudhary and Vice House Captain Yana Chauhan will grace the stage. Next, we have our head discipline, Tejaswa Singh and Aradhya Singh as assistant head discipline. Our pillars for order and grace. Next, we present the head of cultural committee and assistant head of cultural committee, Agatha Singh. Kanishka Pal, minds behind creativity and expression. We also welcome our sports captain, Shivansh Pawar, and sports captain girl Ira Chaudhary. Supporting them are two vice sports captains, Tanish Yadav and Kanav Parashar, stepping into our core leadership now. We introduce the assistant head boy, Divyesh Kumar. And next coming is assistant head girl Geetanjali Taneja. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together at the helm of student leadership, guided by steady confidence and sincere purpose. We welcome our head boy and our head girl. Kindly greet them all with loud applause. Manzala Imran and Advika. Hereby I request our chief guest, Ma'am Elvin Roxy, to please grace the stage and honor the students with badges of honor. Please, ma'am. Thank you. Vice House Captain. Vivekananda House, Rajashri Chaudhary, House Captain, Yana Chauhan, Vice House Captain.
repeat after me. I do solemnly swear and pledge that I shall faithfully serve and will to the best of my ability serve as the living sample of GD Goenka School's philosophy and beliefs and uphold and enforce the Constitution of the school at all times as a true Goenkan. I'll always follow the right path. May the Almighty always guide us. Thank you.
मनुष्यों की जिम्मेदारियां जितनी बड़ी हो मानवों की, वो मानवों को उतना मजबूत बनाते हैं, वो मानवों को उतना मजबूत बनाते हैं। मानवों को जगह मनुष्य की जगह यहाँ पर आप छात्र को लेंगे। प्रीफेक्ट बनकर खुद को साहसी, प्रीफेक्ट बनकर खुद को साहसी और साथियों को मजबूत बनाते हैं, साथियों को मजबूत बनाते हैं। और अगली जो 2 लाइनें हैं वो सारी टीम के लिए है। जो दायित्व का करे निर्वहन, जो दायित्व का करे निर्वहन, वो अनुशासित छात्र कहलाते हैं। जो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपको मिल रही है, जो भी जिम्मेदारी आपको मिल रही है, उसको डिसिप्लिन के साथ आपको निभाना है। जो दायित्व का करे निर्वहन, वो अनुशासित छात्र कहलाते हैं। जो अपने दायित्व को अच्छे से निभाए, वो गोइंकन कहलाते हैं, वो गोइंकन कहलाते हैं।
On behalf of all students, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and the entire management for putting down their faith in us and believing in our abilities. Your trust inspires us to work harder and grow into responsible individuals. Finally, we pledge to uphold the values of our school and make you proud in every endeavor. Thank you.
Respected Principal Ma'am, and one of the most member, my dear teachers. Without you, we cannot stand over here. The wonderful performance, dance performance, singing performance, all the decoration, what you are looking for. Can you please cheers for my teachers first? Because of their hard work, so the people have dedicatedly since morning till evening. They were here by 4, 4:30, 5 o'clock. My housekeeping staff also, my admin team also. So I do care of everybody. In case I forget, please forgive me. So I thank to everyone. I think a big thank you to my parents also. Without your support, it was not possible that your children are doing wonderful job. With your support and your care, we are going hand in hand and we all are doing wonderful job. So thanks to all of you. I extend heartfelt thanks to my teachers, Without their dedicated efforts, it was not possible to come over here. And this day was not so beautiful because it becomes so beautiful and wonderful because of their efforts.